Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Most of the students and professionals use Microsoft Office like Excel or Word for their task. So Microsoft optimized the Office with Samsung DeX. So today I'm going to see if these apps are working fine in S6 Lite DeX mode. So guys, I bought this Bluetooth keyboard cover and I'm trying it if it's working well with these apps. So guys, you can open both apps, okay, in the multitasking mode. So I will open the Excel and then I will also open the Word, so you can see over here. And then if you want to make them in the split screen mode, just take them to the edges of the screen and they automatically go into the in the split screen mode, and then I will open the Excel as well. So it's very easy. So now I will do the keyboard shortcuts. So now I will use the keyboard to write down something. So for example, I write here tab S6 Lite in the Microsoft Word. Okay, so you can see over here it is working perfectly fine, and I will also use the keyboard shortcut. For example, we use Control A to highlight, and then we can use Control C, and then I will see if it is working fine. So Control V is for paste. So you can see over here the keyboard shortcuts are working perfectly fine. You can also use the Alt tab. Okay, so you can use different apps to use the Alt tab option. And then we have all the features over here for the Microsoft Word. So guys, this version of Microsoft Word for DeX is more simple and easy to use. We have all the tabs over here. Okay, so you can see over here we have insert tab. Then if you want to use the pen, you can also use the pen for handwriting. On the Microsoft Word, you see this draw option, the third option over here. I will show you. So once you select this draw option, you have all the pen tools available over here. So you can use your pen as well. So you can see over here. Okay, and then we have all the tools available. We have highlighter, then we have a thickness option, color option. If you want to erase something, you can also erase as well. So this is really cool. So now in the second part, I will move to the Microsoft Excel. So I will put some numbers over here to check if the Excel is working fine in the DeX mode and in the split screen mode. So you can see over here I am putting some numbers over here using my Bluetooth keyboard, and let's see, I will put some formula to check it. Okay, so I will put equal, then I put the sum. Okay, so then I put this bracket. Okay, and then let's see, I will go up and I will select the numbers and then I press enter. So guys, you can see over here the formula is also working perfectly fine. So Excel for DeX is also very simple and easy to use. We have all the tabs over here. You can see insert, draw, formulas, and you can also use the S Pen, same like we did in the Microsoft Word. So you should use the draw option, and then we have the pen options over here. You can select your pen, and you can also write over here. I will show you. So you can see over here you can write, okay, over the Excel. This is really amazing, guys. It is also very helpful for the teachers if they want to do some online classes, so they can use the Excel and they can also use the pen as well. You can also use the highlighter, so you can see over here highlighter option. So all the pen tools are available also. So if you want to use the formula, so formulas over here, you can see there are different formula. For example, these financial formulas over here as well. And if you want to use the if you want to insert the charts, you can also insert. You can see over here this is the chart option as well. So I will make it bigger, and then you can see this chart option. For example, we have a column option, then we have a pie chart option. So you can see over here we also have pie chart, so you can use the pie charts as well. So in my opinion, the Microsoft Office working perfectly good for Samsung DeX. The Microsoft optimized it very well. So thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.